Good afternoon, good day, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Elle, and today we're in Rome for 24 hours. I'm a flight attendant. I have a short time in Roma, but let's do as the Romans do, and let's see what all we can get into. Let's get it started. Alright, so right now I'm in the van, and we are on the way to the hotel to check in and get the day started. Aren't you amazed at how similar our streets are, no matter what country you're in? Hey you guys, I just got to the room. Let's see what we got. Wow. The window just does it for me, that I can open up my window just like I've seen in the movies. Okay, so here's the thing. I've been up since 6 a.m. yesterday morning. It's now 4 a.m. This is Eastern Standard Time. I'm now in Rome. The local time is 11. So the plan is to take a 3-hour nap to get up around 30. Oh wait, no. That's like 2.5 hours. Take a quick nap, and then we're going to explore Rome and see what Rome has to offer. I'm gonna try and sleep 2 hours. I'm pretty sure I'll knock out. So let's refresh and then we'll get back. Now, quick week recap. The flight over to Rome was actually pretty easy. The passengers were pretty needy, but in a friendly way, and I don't mind needy passengers in a friendly way that are kind. So we were very busy. The flight toll was about 8 hours and went by really fast. We had a little 2-hour break. We had breakfast, dinner, and a snack. For dinner, I had beef, mashed potatoes, and broccolini, and I just ate the fruit and yogurt for breakfast because I'm gonna tear down here. So I'm gonna leave you guys for a couple hours. We'll be back and we'll be in Rome. As they say, when in Rome. Ain't that's everybody type. What does trouble look like? Alrighty, now if you know me, you know the first stop is to get coffee. So let's stop by the closest coffee shop. California. Yeah.
My second dance. Venice Beach.
Have you been to California?
Venice Beach.
Oh, Venice Beach. Yeah, it's beautiful.
For the honeymoon.
Okay.
New York, Las Vegas, California.
Okay.
Beautiful. California is beautiful.
Not as beautiful as Rome.
I know. Italy.
Beautiful, but it's not Rome.
Second down.
Okay.
Since what?
Into the coffee.
Oh, there's a lot of milk. It's good though.
So the coffee is so smooth. Okay, I'll take it. The coffee is literally so smooth. It's like thick layer of cream and milk. The best. No sugar. No sugar. It's that good. All right, now I'm making my way to Zara. No, I'm sorry, we're going to the Vatican. We just had a little smidget to eat and coffee. So the Vatican is the next mission. We're going to the Vatican. Let's go. Enjoy the walk. Enjoy the beauty of Rome. It's like 75 degrees out here. It's beautiful. Everyone is friendly.
I love it.
You gotta come.
All the way down. All the way down.
This is like the upgraded version of walking in downtown New York. Doesn't get better than this. I want to try and find some shoes. I want to leave here with a pair of shoes. I want to leave here with some cheese. I want to leave here with...
Make a U-turn, then turn right onto Via Barone.
And a perfume. Because I forget. I know their perfumes are good too. I'm almost there. 2 more months of starvation. Like, he's too perfect, okay? Does that look like that might be a T? See that building right there?
Maybe.
Historic buildings. Oh yeah, we're definitely in the touristy part. Yeah, so here, just pull up and get your gas filled up. Side of the street while you're going. So convenient, right? Yeah. So I'm still walking to the Vatican because we just walked a whole 20 minutes in a circle. Don't ask me why, okay? But we're on the right path now, okay? We're like 10 minutes away or less. This Vatican better be worth it. I have a feeling it will be. You know they say when you're in Rome, do as the Romans. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Just arrived at the Vatican, and wow, oh my gosh, look at this. This is crazy, beautiful.
That way.
Absolutely breathtaking, you guys. Oh my goodness, pictures do it no justice. I think it's the Venetian in Vegas does it no justice, or Caesar's Palace does it no justice. Oh wow, my goodness. Now, my mother has, like when I was a child, she's always had the Roman statues in her home, Roman pillars in her home. So being here is just, it blows my mind. Y'all know my mom does not like to fly. One day I will get her here, okay? If you're seeing this, please write in the comments, Mom, bring your butt to Rome. Look at this, oh my goodness. Are you not entertained? Alexander V. Pont Max. Not sure what this is. We are going to find out. The fact that they've been able to preserve it so long is what baffles me. It's so baffling. So beautiful, you guys. And it's the perfect day today. Let's go take a look at this fountain over here. I think you guys will like this. Oh my god. Perdóname, perdóname, perdóname. What it feels like to be in Rome, you guys. Oh, look at the sun. God shining down here. I have the fountain here. Got this fountain. All the people here getting their shots, okay? You better do it, sir. You better do it, sir. Yes, bring it. Get it. I'm like, are we in the street? This is fine. I'm walking the street. I'm assuming this is like the shopping district here. There's lots of vendors. I was just approached by someone from Senegal trying to sell me bracelets that told me they were free because I'm from America, but then told me, yeah, me and my wife are homeless. Can you help me with some money? So it's free or it's not free. I don't know, but the hustle is real. We got some Louis Vuittons, you guys. They out here selling bags, selling chargers. I told you it feels like New York. Everywhere is a hustle. Guys feeling. Now we are headed towards the Trevi Fountain. That's the next spot. It's a 20-minute walk. If you come here, you're going to be walking, unless you rent like a car or you take their hop off bus, have a tour guide, etc. Rent a scooter. But we are on foot. Oh, this is the ice. Yeah, I want ice cream. I'm gonna go here. Maybe gelato. Quick stop at the gelato shop. I want something either coffee, mango, maybe strawberry. We'll see. What are they? Oh my gosh. Delicious. Thank you. Thank you. It tastes just like pistachios. Is this where Michael Jackson came and shot? I don't know what they're made out of.
The whole set's on.
Oh, you want to get your nails done?
I need to.
I hear music. It tastes like they crushed up pistachios and somehow just mixed it with milk. It's so delicious and creamy and rich.
Architectural thing on the way here.
You need more than one day if you're coming to Rome. At least 3 or 4 days. At least. So much to see. water fountains. We are almost at the Trevi Fountain, but first we pass by a chocolate store. Yes, that's a chocolate water fountain. Here we are. Take it all in.
Oh, let's go over there and look.
Can you enter that way? I feel like they have a gate
Maybe there's some way out.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But I wanna.
Film literally does it no justice. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Then you toss a coin and must make a wish. Wasn't the Trevi Fountain beautiful? It's beautiful. I understand why there's literally like a... Ooh, not traffic. Oh, 2 people on a scooter. But I understand why there's like a food shop lined up on every corner because it's a lot of walking. You're gonna need it. Okay, I don't know what this is, but this is something else. Take a look. Regular shopping plaza. You guys, this is the regular just shopping plaza. Look at how gorgeous. Oh, the architecture. Wow. We just left Mango. I'm following you because I don't have the directions. I don't know where we're going.
It's that way. I was.
Okay. Am I going the right way? Just walking? Excuse me. Just because, you guys. Just because. Oh, let me get my job. Just like that, we're back at the hotel. Quick change, then dinner. So we have the hair marinating. Clearly I ate off the lipstick or liner. What is this? This is NARS. I forget the name of the liner, but anyways, it's one of the creamy ones. Okay, so I'm here because my battery died on the phone. So we're here to do a quick charge. We're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up our items. Okay, so let me give you a timestamp, right? It's 5:54 now. So we're gonna meet down in the lobby at 6 o'clock. That's in 6 minutes. I'm just trying to get some battery on my phone. So we're charging up. See if I can get to 30. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store, get all of our goodies, come back, and then we're meeting with another friend. She's gonna take us to her non-touristy restaurant because she's Italian, so she knows the spots. She holds Italy, she holds Rome, so she knows. She has her brother lives here. Well, okay, that's too much information, but she's from here, okay, so she knows where to go. So that is what I'm excited for. I'm excited for the cuisine. We've had ice cream, we tasted the ham and cheese, we've tasted their cappuccino, and I had a espresso. So I got my coffee fix, and I still want to find possibly maybe a cafe that opens at like 6, maybe 6:30, so I can get one in the morning. That's pushing it because we have to be out of here at 7. So, or is it 7:50? It might be 7:50. If it's 7:50, we're getting coffee in the morning, y'all. But how did you guys like? There's a lot of walking. There are a lot of clips of just the architecture of Rome, and we've only been out literally for like 3 hours, 6 o'clock. Okay, 4 hours, and we were only on foot. Remember, this is on foot, and we were able to see the Vatican, the Trevi Fountain, and then multiple fountains and statues on our way. We did a little bit of shopping. We went into Mango. I didn't film that specific piece in the women's area, but there was a trench coat that I wanted, but they only had it in a large, and while I can fit the large, it was a little too snug. So I'm gonna see if they have that when I get back to DC in my size, because it was cute. They have a Zara that's across the street, and I believe they close at 8 o'clock, but we'll be eating. However, if they're open past 8 o'clock, it's across, well, not exactly across the street, but it's close enough. I will be stopping there. So the hair has marinated. I've chatted, we've chatted. How are you guys doing, by the way? I didn't even ask you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. God is so good. It was such a beautiful day today. I heard it was raining yesterday, so we picked the perfect day to fly. So the next time I see you, we'll be at dinner. Come on, let's go to dinner, y'all. Let's go to dinner. All right, you guys, tonight we're not worried about calories. None of that. We're eating. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. We're in Rome. Let's go. Taking that. Almost forgot the key, y'all. I almost forgot the key. Girl, get it together. Oh, we're going shopping. We're going to the grocery store. Cece. We're going to the grocery store. Sorry, I almost forgot. We're going to the grocery store now. I almost left my key card in the room. And if you know, in Europe, in certain countries, you have to leave the key card in the hotel slot in order to have electricity. Alrighty, we are now in the famous Castronis. Let's go shopping. They have like curry. Friends, this chocolate was so delicious and rich.
Because the pasta's gonna be small, right?
And now we're at dinner.
Your plate?
We ordered focaccia bread, their fried flowers, which contain zucchini and artichoke. Delish. I ordered for myself their pasta carbonara and their version of, what is it called? Oxtails.
What's that place that's like the famous like sandwich place, like a la something? They have the focaccia sandwiches.
You want? That's fine. We'll take it with us tomorrow.
I'm gonna go back to my place in DC.
The next time I have pasta in America.
In Noma, Union Market area. It's northeast. I like that.
Is that what the market is? Yeah, there's a market that sells fabulous fish and everything like that.
Yeah, and there's like a bunch of like little vendors. That's well, that's maybe you think at Eastern Market.
Y'all,
There's
I am
two.
listening, but
That's
I
not
am
far from
tearing
either.
this pasta up, okay? It is delicious. I've never had this dish in my life.
No, like
And I don't think I
15
will unless I'm in room.
minutes. More
Here are the
traditional.
oxtails, and while it may not look appetizing, when I tell you the meat fell off the bone, I can finally say I ate at an authentic Italian restaurant. Just had dinner. It's time to go. I had a great night. Remember, love yourself, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
I'm so bubbly. Yeah, no, that's.
They got me again. I'm in Jutila, getting more gelato. Be 500 pounds. Hell, I can't say no. The cream milk and strawberry. All right, that was delicious. Now for real, it's time to go. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment. I talk back. You guys have a wonderful evening, and until next time.